shining my light at it. There. I'm trying to see if he'll come closer. Oh, look at him. Whoa! Whoa, it brightened up. It's gone. Oh, there it is. Oh no, that's the tower. That thing was in between the tower and this tree, this pole here. It's gone. It left. I flashed him. It had been sitting there for 10 minutes. I was trying to get a good spot to record it. And he's gone. That sucker was bright orange. Man, I never see UFOs out that way. Is the auras? You never know nowadays. Stuff's getting a little wild, even for me. And I like this stuff.